มีอยู่แล้วเป็นยัง
เอาเลย
นะโมตัสสะภะคะวะโตอะระหะโตสัมมาสัมพุทธัสสะอะระหะโตสัมมาสัมพุทธัสสะนะโมตัสสะภะคะวะโตอะระหะโตสัมมาสัมพุทธัสสะ Pay homage to Buddha, Dhamma, and Sangha. Pay respect to Venerable Mahadam Pomasan and all Venerable monks. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to listen Dhamma talk in the live stream of Venerable Mahadam and I today. Hope the Dhamma talk today is helpful to you all to practice to use in your Friday day. Thank you, everyone. And invite Venerable say something.
นะโมพุทธายะนะโมธัมมายะนะโมสังฆายะ Pay respect พระอาจารย์มหาคัมมณี and all venerable monks and good evening everyone. Thank you so much for watching us. Thank you for greeting in Lao. Namaskar. You did very good job. Yeah. After we live stream, I told you to say to hello to the monks in Lao or Thai in Namaskar. Everyone say Namaskar. Yeah, it's very good.
Thank you
so much. Today, I have time to talk Dhamma talk together with Ajahn Mahakamani. Ajahn Mahakamani, he have a lot of free time.
Really?
he can live stream in the morning, afternoon, and evening. Yeah, he have a lot of update, a lot of news to update. Yeah.
Every situation.
Yes, it's very good to follow to the news from him. Yeah, everything around the world happen.
No. Just 7 people in the cave.
Yeah. Yeah.
Not everything. Just little bit and Dhamma talk. Yeah. Something.
And today, Ajahn Mahakamani, we should talk about the Four Noble Truths review again, because the Four Noble Truths is the core main Buddha teaching. Yeah. When the people ask, what is the Buddha got enlightenment? What is he got from enlightenment? That means he got enlightenment by understand the Four Noble Truths. Is very important and easy to remember, but sometimes hard to understand. Yeah. You have something to say before?
Yeah, I share before 2 days ago about Four Noble Truths that time Ajahn Mahadam not able to share together. Just only me. I say I will ask Ajahn Mahadam to review again about this, because the Four Noble Truths is very important and very deep Dhamma to understand.
And can you read about Four Noble Truths to review, and we can explain together?
Yeah. The Four Noble Truths, you know about 4 things, right? First one is Dukkha, the truth of suffering. The second one is Samudaya, the truth of the origin of suffering. Third one is Nirodha, the truth of cessation of suffering. The fourth one is Magga, the truth of the path leading to the cessation of suffering.
Yeah. The first one is the truth of suffering. Some is the suffering. Many people don't understand about suffering in daily life. Sometimes some people understand about we suffering because we pain, we hurt, because that we then Mahakamani said that we have two suffering, right? The physical suffering, like about our body, physical suffering, and mental suffering, about you think a lot, you upset, you feel sad, you're like a disappointed from of something, right? That means the dukkha, it means suffering happened to you. Even now, if you think you don't have any suffer now, but you can know you are suffer from when you're sitting, but you don't move. You're sitting long time. That means your body is in the same position. Same position, don't move, you're gonna hurt. But you cannot see, you don't know it's the hurt, you don't know it's the suffering, because of your movement, because you're moving. When you change your
body,
your position, that means the suffering is gone. But when you practice, when many people practice mindfulness meditation, they're gonna know every movement of our body is suffer. Like when we sit like this, sometimes we move because we don't feel good, right? And our eye too. Why we have to เขาเอิ้นพับตาจังได๋ก็ blink how to say is when you close your eye. Why we close our eye?
Blink.
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 Why we close our eye? Because if our eye is always open, the wind, right, touch our eye is dry and gonna suffer. But because our like change the position a lot, that's why we don't see, we don't know about the suffering happen to your life. If you practice mindfulness a lot, you're gonna know everything is suffering. our purpose, our goal is we are practice mindfulness to know what exact suffering in our life. Yeah. But when we know, but when the suffering happen in our life, when we practice, it's very noble, very high blessing, because you know you found the suffering, but every day we have suffering, but we don't found it, we don't know, we don't understand. But when you practice a lot, you found the suffering, it's very blessing to you. But some people, they quit because they cannot handle with the suffering. It's very hard to handle, because it's very suffer, because you can see everything is suffering around you, inside or outside. That is the suffering. Yeah.
Suffering, right?
Yeah.
Someone say, if I cannot sitting for a long time, can I sleep? They laying for a long time, for 2 days or 3 days.
Yeah.
Laying.
You cannot, right? You cannot, even you're laying down on the bed. Just you feel very comfortable to sleep, to lay down. But when you wake up, after you wake up, that means your body told you is you get suffer. Did you see some people, they lay down on the bed long time? That's the bone hit the bed long time, is gonna cut the skin, right? That is they cannot move the chain position. Yeah.
This
That's
is
why
physical suffering, right?
Yes.
How about the situation suffering?
Situation suffering.
สถานการณ์ situation
suffering.
Yeah, mental, right? Mental suffering.
Mental suffering. Yeah, when mental suffering, when you want something, but you don't get that, just you suffer. And
when I don't want something, but I get that.
Yeah, you don't want something, but that happened to your life, is you suffer too.
Yeah.
When
I get something, when I got something, but that thing is go away, go far away from me.
Yes, that means you want something, but that one is not come to you.
But when I get something, something come to me already, but tomorrow is gone. How to?
Yes, that's when you suffer from missing something.
Missing something.
Yeah. Yes, we have a lot of suffer from outside, from inside. Suffering. That's why you have to, our goal is to understand deeply about suffering. But when we understand the suffering, we have to know about the samutaya, right? Samutaya, this mean samutaya, this mean the cause of suffering. Suffering cannot happen by itself. It must happen because of condition, right? Condition or cause or condition. Yeah. The cause of suffering. What is the cause of suffering? That means your desire. your desire, you want something, you need something. Yeah, we call in Bali we call kama tanha. Kama tanha is you want something to you want to look, you want to see something is beautiful, right? Beautiful is very good to your eye, right? You want the good sound for your ear, you want the good smell for your nose, you want the good taste for your tongue, you want the good touch for your body, right? And you want the good feeling from your mind, right? That's what you call the five aggregate, right? Five aggregate or kama tanha. And vibhava tanha. Kama tanha, bhava tanha is this mean you want to be that, you want to be like you want to be the rich person, you want to be the actor, you want to be, that's what like what character you want to be. Yeah, you want to be, you need to be, you want to be soldier, you want to be, that means your desire to reach your action to go something you want. Yeah. And vibhava tanha, this means sometimes you don't need something, you don't want to be someone, that means we call desire too. We have three desire. You want something or someone, right? And you want to be the someone, and you don't want something or someone. That's three, like your love and your hate. That means the cause of suffering. Yeah. How about when you want to, like you want to make, you need to make more money, okay? For example, okay, I want a house, new house, right? If you want to new house, that means we call kama tanha, you want something, that's your desire tell your action to do something to get the new house, to make more money. Just tell you to work hard every day, right? And when you got the new house, you're really happy.
Yes,
you're really happy. And one day your house, for example, your house is fire. Yeah, got fire. You really suffer, right?
because
That is the nature of life. Yeah, nature of
because
life.
you want, excuse me, because you don't want to separate your house, right?
Yeah.
You don't want that happen. You very love your house, and you want to stay in your house for whole life, but the fire happen that you don't want to get that happen.
But the desire, even you know that this desire is the cause of suffering. Some people say, oh, desire always the bad thing. No. But sometimes when we are still the normal person, everyone still the normal, we are the normal person, we are not the noble person, right? We are the normal person. We have to use the desire to reduce desire. How? Like for example, แล้วก็ you want to listen Dhamma talk every day right you think oh I อาจารย์มหาคัมภีร์ live stream now I want to listen him that means your desire but good desire right but when you listen the Dhamma talk อาจารย์มหาคัมภีร์ talk about the attachment right attachment or detachment that means you understand oh I have this one is I have even I have the expectation but I have to don't attach in that make me my heart is no suffer from that thing that means you are use the you have desire to reduce your desire right we have to use the good desire yeah this the desire cause of suffering yes and
there's one
third one
can you read this one is Nirodha
and review again for understand the first one is the suffering the Buddha never say he never said you have to go you have to like you leave the suffering but the Buddha say suffering you must observing you have to face and observing the suffering when the suffering happen to you yeah but the second one desire you must to what is the
desire
you have to la
to reduce
yes reduce you have to reduce desire you have to reduce and third one Nirodha right Nirodha that means the highest goal of Buddha teaching the highest goal of the Buddhism that we call nirvana some people ask me how do you know when the people got enlightenment or got nirvana I say we don't know but the people they know by themselves we call ehipasiko they know by themselves we know by ourselves when we got nirvana but how we have the for example like we have the noble people right noble person แล้วก็โสตาปันนะสกิทาคามีอนาคามี and arahanta we call the four group of the four level of the noble person yeah the first one for example the first noble people noble person sotapanna when you don't have the three unwholesome thought แล้วก็สักกายทิฏฐิวิจิกิจฉาศีลพัตตปามาสสักกายทิฏฐิ when you don't have the แล้วก็ about your mindset about your body or about everything for example แล้วก็ if you still understand the okay, my body is a my body, right? That's you don't. That means you are not the first noble person. But when you see the okay, my body is just temporary, not permanent, just temporary in now, and everything is you see is not permanent, just temporary. When you see like about it, that means you are
Nope.
have the first you have the one of the three, right? Sakayati, Vichikicha, and you don't have the confuse about what you understand, right? You understanding the about our life, our body, it mean not permanent, but you don't confuse about what is the permanent or not permanent. If you still confuse like that, you cannot understand the permanent or not permanent. That means you still confused. That means you don't get the noble person. First one, and the third one is the Sirapatapama. This means you're attached in the rule, or tradition. Tradition. That means all the way. Like for example, like your blame to other people, other religion. Like okay, you do this one is not good way, and this one only my way is the good way, is the best way. If you just the people like that, that means you don't get the noble person. Yeah, this is the first noble people. When you stop the three unwholesome thought, that means you are the noble person. Yeah, the first one. That's when you get the nirvana. You know by yourself. Yeah, nobody can know. Like for example, when you come to my temple, you practice the meditation to me, and you come to me, and I cannot tell you, okay, you are the Sotapan or you are Sakita Kami, you are Arahanta. I cannot tell you because I don't know. Because you know by yourself. Yeah, it's very serious.
Don't be confused. Someone said don't be confused about that. Everything is impermanent. Just only three, right? Tirapata Paramat. The first one is Kama Chantha, right? บอลตัวนี้นะตัวยกขึ้นมา first one กรรมฉันทะแล้วก็วิจิกิจฉาไม่ยัง
No, ตัวนี้สังโยชน์
สังโยชน์
10นะฮะ
โอ้สังโยชน์ตัว
สัก
นี้
กายทิฏฐิวิจิกิจฉาศิรพัตตปามาส
วิธี
Yeah,
ศิรปัตตปรมาส
serious topic.
Okay.
Yeah, this the third one of the four noble truths, right? Four noble truths, and the last one Makha, right?
Yeah, last one is Makha.
Makha, this mean way or the road.
Yeah, eightfold path.
Eightfold path. The eightfold path.
Eightfold path. Or the middle way. Chakra right will right resolve. Yeah. Can you explain?
Someone misunderstand about eightfold path. The eightfold path, the Makha, that means you have to practice all of the eight Dhamma, right? But someone, even the Buddhist monk, they confuse about the eightfold path. They say eight eighth way,
Mm.
the eighth way to achieve the nirvana.
Yeah.
No, it's no eighth way. One way,
One way.
but you have to you have to practice the eight. Only one way, but you have eight, right?
Yeah.
Eight, yeah.
Mm.
Eight practice. Eight practice.
Only one way, but you have 8 way.
No, only one way, but you have the eight part. Yeah.
8
One
part.
way, but they have eight part. For example, แล้วก็ on the highway, right? Highway, one highway, but you have eight lane.
8 lane.
Eight lane. Yeah, eight lane. Yeah.
I saw in Atlanta.
Yeah.
8 lane.
No eight way, but if eight way you can go this way or this way, right? But this one is only way, one way, but you have the eight lane. Yeah, eight part. Yes.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Absolutely. And first part is
สัมมาทิฏฐิ right? สัมมาทิฏฐิ when you listen the
ธรรมจักร
ธรรมจักรกับปวัตตนสูตร สัมมาสังกัปปะ yeah
สัมมา
maybe อาจารย์มหาคัมมานี can change all of
สั
them
มมากัมมันตาสัมมาอาชีวะเห็นบ่ สัมมาวายามะสัมมาสติสัมมาสมาธิ
yes it's so good yeah yeah สัมมาทิฏฐิ this mean the right understanding or the right view. It's very very good when you talk about the eight you call the eight way conclude in three, right? อาจารย์มหาคัมมานี we call ศีล samadhi and panya. Sila, Samadhi, and Panya. This we conclude from the eightfold path. But in the eightfold path, you have to practice the Panya or wisdom first. Samma Titti, and the first one and the second one, Samma Titti, Samma Sankappa. That means the first one, well, wisdom, we call wisdom, path of wisdom.
Path of wisdom.
Yes.
First one and second one.
Why the panya is important? Because if you understanding, that means you miss the correct way. Samma Titti, that means you have to correct understanding or the right view. What is the right view? What is the right view? That means you understand about your life. Come back to the Four Noble Truths again. That means you have to right view or correct understanding about the Four Noble Truths. Try to understand what is the suffering, what is the cause of suffering, what is the end of suffering, and what is the way to end of suffering. That's been the goal of the first one, right understanding, right?
Yeah. Two of them, the right view and the right intention, together is the wisdom, right?
Yes, wisdom. Right intention. The second one, right intention, right?
Yeah.
What is the right intention?
The first one understanding, and second one is cultivating through
High
of
intention.
kindness. Yeah.
Correct thought.
Correct thought,
Correct
compassion.
thought.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Free แล้วก็ correct thoughts such as the thoughts free from sensual desire, free from sensual desire, thoughts of the non-ill will, and thoughts of non what it is cruelty. I don't know. Harmlessness. Think about harmlessness. Yeah. That means your think think far away from desire from desire แล้วก็วิเคราะห์ในการออกthink ในคิดในการออกจากกาม yeah think far away
think to go far away from desire
yeah
like you think to be a monk, to practice
yeah
nekkhamma. Yeah. Someone think to be a nun. Don't want to stay like a normal person. Want to practice a lot the meditation.
and think ในความอันที่สอง think ในความไม่พยาบาทคิดในความไม่พยาบาทthink about the non ill will. Yeah.
Non ill will.
No harm someone, right? No harm someone. Don't like angry. Don't no angry to someone. Yeah.
But you can angry to yourself.
No, you cannot.
No.
Even yourself.
No. Someone say angry to themselves because they don't get something right time and tell angry to themselves first, but it's like you tell yourself not angry. Just tell yourself not angry yourself.
And think about the last one, and think about the harmlessness. It's a little bit same.คิดในความไม่เบียดเบียนคิดในการออกจากกามคิดในการไม่พยาบาทคิดในการไม่เบียดเบียน
okay.
This is the correct intention, right?
Yeah. Like to cultivating through of kindness, compassion, and non-violent.
What it is?
I don't know.
Translate.
and
เหมือนความน่าเชื่อใจคุณหรือเปล่า high like hypocrisy no hypocrisy because this about the right thought or right intention, just correct thought. Correct thoughts mean you think about far away from desire. Think about think about non-ill will, and think about the harmlessness. Yeah.
Yeah. Now 233 people come to watch. Two of them is wisdom.
Yeah, the wisdom.
Yeah.
The first lane and second lane, right? Of
First
the
lane.
highway, big highway. The first lane and second lane.
Yeah.
And how the third lane? How about the third lane?
Third lane
Samma,
is Samma Vacha is right
Samma
speak.
Vacha. Yeah,
Mhm.
about your speak, right?
Yeah.
Right, right
Mhm.
speaking, right speech, right? Right
Mhm.
speech. That's the third lane.
Mhm.
Right speech. What is the right speech? No, like a no. Speak always the truth and
Yeah.
don't like a don't speak for to like a to don't speak the make someone fight each other. Yeah, like you say, okay, this one talk about you, talk bad about you, but you
Mm.
can you go to someone and this one talk bad about you, but they didn't talk anything, but only the everything from you. That
Mm.
means don't talk like that.
But sometimes somebody get hurt inside.
Yeah.
Think think about the people talk about them like this.
Mm-hmm.
Mm. The bad thing like
Mm-hmm.
but someone bring your bring your speak but not
Mm-hmm.
really not true go to tell another people another one
Mm-hmm.
hey venerable talk to you like this but
Mm-hmm.
just only yet or no but
Mm-hmm.
they they explain more like
Mm-hmm.
misunderstand more.
Yeah.
I sometimes I never talk like that, but
Mm-hmm.
people bring some word go to explain more a lot like
This from
that mean it venerable don't like you like this and this. No I
this
don't
from the
say that.
real life, right?
Yeah.
From real experience.
Yeah. For example, I taught my helper right?
Yeah.
That time my helper asked me about the
Mm-hmm.
the fig thing in front of the temple, the
Mm-hmm.
fig like a color or something move and move uh used to be moved more than 3 people move together, right?
Mm-hmm.
But that time is a lot of people come to temple.
Mm-hmm.
I decide to move, but my helper come to see me and ask me, venerable, can we move that in front? I say, okay, wait, don't move today, but you just next day, move next day. I just say, wait, now is a lot of people here. It's not good for
Mm-hmm.
move that.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, but the people bring
Your word.
my word to tell another helper.
Mm-hmm.
Venerable say, don't move, don't touch, don't touch,
Mm-hmm.
don't do anything.
Mm-hmm.
That all the people misunderstand. Like, oh,
Mm-hmm.
why the Venerable say move, but today why don't why say don't move,
Mm-hmm.
don't do anything.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
misunderstand.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
somebody, hey, Venerable like me.
Yeah. 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 I like this one is no courtship. Yeah. No courtship. That's yeah.
You know,
Speak the truth. Huh?
Madam, until now, stay no move anymore. nobody move, nobody fix it. They stay now, just stay. But I think that is I think that is it's okay. Move, it's okay. Don't move, it's okay. But now stay over. that that my word to tell any the people. That said, they don't ask me again. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Light speed.
And for right speed is very important too, because sometimes we don't got the unity because of the people who speak the not speak the not true, right? Because they gossip, they speak the not speak speak the wrong, right? To tell other people to like a fight to each other. It's very important. Sometimes is you have to understand if which one is the true. Even the Buddha teaching is you have to speak the truth. But you must understand if the truth but no benefit, right? You don't have to speak.
Yes.
Many people say, it's the truth. I say I speak the truth. But when you speak the truth, but many people fight each other. Why? Why? This is your goal. This is the important, right? We have to think about the result of what we speak, right?
Yes.
Sometimes it's true, but no benefit, no good. When the people hear about that, this many people fight each other. No speak like that. Yeah.
Sometimes not true, but have benefit. Don't speak that too. Yeah. Okay.
It is the third lane, right? Third lane.
Third lane. Maybe when we have time, we gonna take about the speed. Come to share again, because this have a lot of speed.
And the fourth lane is
right action.
Samma Kammanta, right? Samma Kammanta, right action.
Yeah.
Right action is easy. Right action is mean no killing, no stealing, no what?
Sexual misconduct.
No intoxicant, right?
Why practicing respect
Practicing
and
respect.
toward other.
What? What?
How many?
Samma Kammanta from abstaining from taking life, stealing, and sexual misconduct. Only three.
Yeah.
Only three. Yeah, only three. It's for right action. The fourth lane, and the fifth lane, Samma Ashiva, livelihood, right? Livelihood. This means your life with the good way, in a good way.
Yeah.
Like in a good way, Samma Ashiva, like engaging in a moral and honest profession without cheating or exploiting others. Yeah.
สัมมาอาชีวะ
Samma Ashiva.
You have a good right work, right job. Right job, right work.
From the Samma Vaja, from the third one to the fifth one, this is we call the
Moral.
the morality division, right? The morality division. And the last, the concentration division, is the sixth one is a Samma Vayama, right? Right effort. What is the right effort?
Right effort. ความเพียร
Yeah. Right effort is mean you are try to first try to stop the bad action. Yeah, try to stop the bad action, bad speech, and bad thought. First one is try to stop, right?
Yeah.
The second one, if you have already, right? If you have the bad action, bad speech, or bad thought already, you did it already, you have to reduce. The second one, you have to reduce the bad action, bad speech, bad thought. And the third one, you have to like develop your action, your speech, and your thought. Yeah. What next?
This is concentration.
Concentration.
Yeah. And next one,
Samma Vayama.
seven.
Samasthi. Seven. Samasthi, right mindfulness, right? Right mindfulness is mean you have mindfulness in your body. We have four base of mindfulness. Body, feeling,
yeah,
your mind, and the truth or the Dhamma, we call Kayanupassana, Vedananupassana, Chittanupassana, and Dhammanupassana. Like for example, too easy to understand. If you focusing on your breathing in or breathing out, you practice, you knowing your breathing in, your breathing out. That means you are Sammasati. You have Sammasati. You have the right mindfulness. Yeah.
Okay.
And the last one.
Last one is Samadhi.
Samadhi. That means that you have the good, the right concentration. Yeah. Training the mind to be calm, right? Stable and one-pointed, free from distraction in order. Yeah. That's or you have the concentration in the chana. We call chana, right? Chana.
Section.
Chana.
Concentration section.
That's we call the noble eightfold path. Like a highway have the 8 lane, right?
8 lane.
You have to practice all of them.
if you don't practice in the rain, maybe maybe
But
you stop and then pull over.
yeah, you how do we explain the you have the you
Maybe.
have to go that way, the only one way, right? We call the middle way,
Yeah.
but you have to pass the eight point.
8 point.
8 point. For example, if we uh, example with the 8 lane, that means we can go any lane, right? Any lane. But if you have to pass the just one, I don't know how to explain, just one way, but you have the all of 8, right?
All of
In
it.
the one way.
Lane.
Yeah.
Because you have the your wheel is 8 wheel. You you have to you have 8 wheel. You must to straight to all of the path, all of the lane. Your car your car have it 8 wheel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not two wheel, but you have 8 wheel. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you must to drive in that road, the 8 lane.
Wow. Someone say, can you explain why is called the middle way? Wow, it's very good question. Why we call the middle way? Because if you understand or you chanting about the Dhammacakkappavattana Sutta, right? We have the three way. The first one is we call the way your practice. You have a lot of the everything you want, right? For example, like a Buddha life. The Buddha life before he become before he was he was the prince. He was the prince. He really have a lot of things in his life. What he want, he got everything in his life. Yeah. He have a good form to his eye, good sound, good smell, good taste, good touch,
home,
good everything, good home. Yeah.
good house.
That means the first we call the Kama Sukhalikanuyoga. No?
Yeah.
This way is you cannot attain the nirvana because you don't you cannot think about the nirvana because you're attached in everything you have, right?
Yeah.
The second one the way is like a very very strong practice, like when the Buddha, when the Siddhartha he practiced when before he become a Buddha. He practiced very 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 strong practice. He know he don't eat the food 49, right? 49 days. If you ever seen the Buddha statue about the man like a very very skinny, right? Very thin to practice. Yeah, that means the he practice the very difficult way. That way is you cannot achieve the nirvana too. but the why we call the middle way, but no make your life is more like a more comfortable, right? And don't make your life is very hard, but stay in the middle, right? That's
Yeah.
mean we call middle way. The eightfold path, this is the middle way. Samma Titti, Samma Sankappa, Samma Vacha, Samma Kammanta. This 8 of them that we call middle way.
If,
Yeah.
if you see the breeze, if you see the breeze cross the river, right? You must to walk in on the bridge. Don't go down to the river. It's a hard way that you can walk crossing the river by bridge.
Okay.
By
Tema kami today is in some country like Thailand, they have the celebrate. This day is the full moon day of the Vesak.
Oh wow!
Yeah.
Yes.
Today we will practice mindfulness meditation together, just 10 minutes before we leave.
That's why we have to talk about noble tools, because today is the good time to listen, because Buddha get written for noble tools, right?
Okay. Dhamma Kamani, can you teach us to meditate just 10 minutes?
Yes. We have time already. Okay, we can do mindfulness meditation like anapanasati. Breathe in, breathe out, and observe our body sitting now, or someone sleep like a laying. It's okay on the sofa or on somewhere. You can sit and you close your eye a little bit and follow your thought into your body. You thought about breathe in, breathe out in present moment, knowing about your body sitting, and your knowing your body sitting, knowing your body breathe in, breathe out. When you breathe in long, you know about breathe in long. Breathe out long, know about breathe out long. Breathe in short, know about breathe in short. And focus on your breathe in, breathe out. Sometimes you thought, you think something outside. When you know, let it go and come to see you breathe in, breathe out again and again. That we start to meditation now. you are still 200 people to
Mm.
practice meditation. I
Yeah,
think
thank you.
next uh, next Dhamma talk, maybe we have the meditation before finish
Yeah,
for
the
5 minutes.
last minute, right?
Yeah, 5 minutes or 10 minutes is
Mm.
very good for you all to practice.
Mm.
Someone did not have time to practice.
Mm.
Yeah.
And uh, if you want to listen later, you don't have time uh, to listen our Dhamma talk. You can review listen again, or you can follow the my YouTube channel, Mahadam Pomasan, and I will post this our Dhamma talk, every Dhamma talk on the YouTube. In Facebook, it's gonna delete after 30 days. Yes. And Miss Body Toto, she take care for my YouTube channel. Thank you to her. Okay, Ajarn Mahakamani, can you bless us before we leave?
Okay, so thank you everyone. You all to come to listen to the Dhamma talk tonight. I hope you understand and bring the Dhamma talk to practice, and wishing you all happy, wealthy, and peaceful, everyone. สัพพิติโยวิวัชชันตุสัพพะโรโควินัสตุมาเตภวัตวันตารายโยสุขีติกายุโกภวะจุวัฒนสิริสนิจจังพุทธาปัจจายโนจตตารโอธรรมาวัฏันติอายุวันโนสุขังภะรัง
Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Okay, see you next time.
Good night everyone.
Good night.